Understanding the historical context of Israel's formation and its ongoing conflicts with neighboring Muslim countries is essential for grasping current tensions. These conflicts stem deeply from both religious ideologies and political agendas. The impact of violence in Israel emphasizes the tragic reality faced by innocent civilians, who often find themselves caught in the crossfire. The loss of many lives, including those of children and the elderly, underscores the humanitarian crisis. A distinctive feature of Israel is its national language, Hebrew, which serves as a mirror to the country's rich cultural heritage. Grasping the language allows for a deeper understanding of Israeli society and its complexities. Israel's population, under 10 million, positions it as the 93rd largest country worldwide. This relatively small demographic has a pronounced impact on its political dynamics and societal interactions. The nation has encountered numerous challenges, particularly in terms of conflicts and occupations. These situations have regrettably resulted in various atrocities directed towards the Muslim population residing in the region. Jerusalem, the capital of Israel, holds profound religious significance for Muslims, Christians, and Jews alike. Both Israel and Palestine assert their claims over this city, adding to the complexity of the conflict. Occupying an area of 12,515 square kilometers and home to a population of approximately 9,718, Jerusalem exemplifies a small yet culturally diverse community, rich in its historical and social dimensions. In Israel, issues such as prostitution and promiscuity are prevalent, with a culture that embraces personal freedom, especially in settings like beaches and nightlife venues, reflecting a more liberal societal approach. The Jewish community is notable for its investment strategies, favoring economic fortitude over traditional career paths like healthcare. This approach has resulted in significant economic developments. Jewish marriages in Israel are often elaborate affairs, with family involvement playing a crucial role in the process. Typically, marriages are celebrated when girls reach the age of 18, in accordance with cultural customs. Israeli business practices emphasize diversification in investments, a strategy that ensures financial stability and reduces risks associated with potential failures in individual ventures. During pregnancy, Jewish women engage in intellectually stimulating activities, such as solving physics problems and reading, believed to enhance the intelligence of their future offspring. To safeguard its citizens from possible threats, Israel has constructed robust underground bunkers, showcasing a significant level of preparedness for potential attacks and ensuring civilian safety. Mandatory military training in Israel spans 3 to 5 years for all citizens, underscoring the nation's commitment to national defense and security. This obligation applies equally to both male and female citizens. Israel is a global leader in research and technology, ranking third in the world for launching new innovations. With 80% of its budget allocated to these advancements, the nation underscores the critical importance of technology in its growth.